Really now we are going to demonstrate how to make some collections from the beginning. Alright, let's just jump into it. If you have MongoDB Compass, it will be uh, easier to make in there. I'm using CFD right now. Here, you type, first you have to type Mongo SH. There you go. It indicates it's run in here. Alright, now if you have uh, if you haven't make some database, you have to check it first. Show databases. There you go. So I've never maybe it's here. So if you already make it first, then you just go to use db phasmophobia like this, and then you go. This is indicate that you go to directory db phasmophobia, and then you're going to show collections. You show what tables that you are already making. In here, I'm already making equipment and maps. So uh, to show you how to demonstrate making the collections, first we have to check if there's any name, the same name of the collections. Maybe we are going to make the player 10 collections. So it's the player, and then you can choose either insert one or insert many. So I'm going to make this insert one first, like this, and then you make this bracket right here. And after you done this, and then you're going to fill the name, the content of the collections. Maybe the name is myself, but because this is the player, we are going to insert some roles like this. Maybe the role is the navigator, like in the game. So, and then we go to add some equipment, maybe flashlight, like this. And then we are adding to maps, the maps that the player play, map selection, selected like this. And then maybe the maps in 13 Willow Street, maybe, right? Right, like this. Then if you are finished like this, you just go to enter, and then it shows acknowledgement that indicate the data has been inserted to the database. And if you want to make sure that your collections is already created, you can go to show collections again, and there you go. There is a player, and also you can check in here if there's any data that has been added. And then there is one thing that I can show you. So first one you insert one, okay? So there's another way to insert the data using insert menu. So insert menu. So the bracket's a little bit different. So you added this, and like this. And then you going to fill this data to the name. Down. And then role, maybe hunter. And then the equipment you can see here. There's a lot of equipment here that have been created. So maybe EMF reader. Then the map selections. Selected. Selected. Okay. Let's see here. Okay. Maybe the map is 6 Tanglewood Drive. Okay, and then if you already okay, let me alright like this. And then if you already make one fully data set, you just go into comma and then make it again the bracket like this, and then you insert another data. We do that row as hunter, creator, explorer, and then there's a equipment, and maybe a igniter, and then there's a map selected. The maps may be in um, Blaisdell Farmhouse. Okay, and then this is the two data insert many. So if you click enter, it will acknowledge true that there's two data inserted on the DB player, DB collections player. So you want to show the collection, no, show the collection of the player, fine. Can also type it back here. Alright, as you can see, there is the Lintang and Yuda data. There's a Lintang, there is Yuda. So uh, it inserted more than one data for insert main. And I've already make some this code for uh, missions the time. Maybe we can delete this all the time. And then we just going to here. Here you can copy. This is already file for efficiency time, right? As you can see, there's the full data, and then you just have to enter it. And then you can check with the player. Fine. Alright. And it's already inserted on the collections. So that's it for creating the collections in the database that you want.
Okay, here I want to explain about the configuration in database MongoDB with our database title is Phasmophobia. So here I want to make configuration with the collection player. So first we go to terminal and then we go to Mongo shell. Okay, and then we show the database. Okay, first we rename this to env, and then we put the what's that IP connection in this, and then the database name Phasmophobia evidence. This my database. So in in my database there's many collection in our project, the Ghost API and roles, the endpoint cross object, there's the evidence endpoint, Ghost evidence, and then many, and then player. So here in the player, the database, and then after that we go to requirement. Okay, after that we should install the requirement. So we install. Okay, and then we before I rename this to the collection, and then this the roots, we want to make a new root in here. Okay, okay, there's the new roots in the API. First the equipment routes, and then the distinct map, the maps. So after that we go to this again, and then we run. Okay, after that we can go to the Postman and will explain with my friends. Thank you.
So now I'm gonna try to do a testament for the Postman from the collection my friend created. So now we're gonna do this. Since this is my database that already exists, so we're gonna try to create new collection in here. Then we're gonna import the data. Here. Right, it's not here. Oh wait, it's not here. This. Alright, so now we got the data of the players. Now we're gonna try to open the code from here. We're gonna go here, and then I'm gonna zoom in a bit. .env. We're gonna change it to Fastmod base, the same name as my database right here. Fastmod test, yeah. And then for this, we're gonna name it similar to this. And now we're gonna import the thing. First, I'm gonna delete this thing. I'm gonna use this file. And then we have to run the local host server so we can connect the MongoDB with the VS Code and Postman. So we're gonna do this. Plus run port 5000. I guess now we can check if it's connected or not. It's healthy, so that we can use the Postman now. So we're gonna try to read this. This is the current collections from the table, and we're gonna try to create here from the body. So first, for example, the testificate. Role the Explorer, equipment, flashlight, maps selected, prison, set what map selected, prison, create. Now we got the data from here, it should be appeared now. Yep, this is testificate, the new player we created. And then for the update, we have to use the exact same ID from the player we created. So like this, we're gonna copy this. Then we are going to body. For example, we want to rename it to like Victor for the player name. And right here we're gonna try to use the ID we want to change. Send this, and now we get the updated version. Just on Victor. So now the name change Victor, or you want to change it to the item, for example. For example, maybe the role change to rescuer. Now Victor is rescuer instead of explorer now. So now the last one from the CRUD is the delete, where you delete one collections. So for example, I want to delete Victor because he is already done playing. So we're gonna send this, and it should delete Victor from this collection. You can see here Victor is nowhere to see. I guess that's from the Postman testament.